Okay. Good morning, everyone. I am welcoming to this video class. Today we are going to know the biology first chapter. That is a name we called it plant nutritions. Plant nutritions. There inside we want to learn it. Whatever the important things is there, food is there, components of food is there, nutrients is there. These all things information we want to collect it. Before going to this all lessons. We want to know previous classes inside, some knowledge is necessary is there, we can understood the next class inside whatever things you want to learn it. Okay, the primary classes in class 5th and 6th you learn about the food. Food is a very important basic requirement of the all living organism. They want to survive this atmosphere inside, means food is very necessary. Contents is there for all living organism purpose. You know the living organism means what, and living organism is classified in how many categories? Living organism is classified in 3 categories. One is plant, second is animals, and third is what is there? Microorganisms. These 3 living organisms group is there, and this living organism want to survive the atmosphere inside. What food is necessary is there. Food why is necessary is there? Their body performance, otherwise their activity want to do it properly. Means activity means examples what it is growth is there, digestion is there, respiration is there, and reproduction is there. This all performance purpose energy is necessary is there, and this energy we are getting by the under the food. So that purpose we are saying the food is a very necessary things for the all living organism want to survive this atmosphere. Okay, the next bits we are going to components of the food. Food only in which foods is there? Same kinds of food in what is there, and variety of the foods we are getting to. Morning breakfast we are, afterwards lunch, afterwards dinner. This all one days inside 3 times we are taking the foods, means the food also what is a variety of the foods we are taking, and that variety of the foods inside what is there? Different types of the components is available. Different types of components which is there, the different types of component inside we know. The basically in class 6 inside or 5th class inside we learn the basic components. There is examples. Number 1, what you want to carbohydrates, then proteins, fats, again minerals, vitamins, rockage, and water. These are 7 types of the water. The components is necessary for the living organisms, and this all we are getting the under the food. And this contains this all contains added what we called it is a nutrients we can say. And nutrients means what? The total 7 nutrients is all added foods we called that is a nutrients, and that nutrients is a way what will another name is called that nutrients diets. Another name we can say it that is a balanced diet, and a balanced diet is very good for the particular organisms by the growth and well body performance for the balanced diet. Otherwise nutrients diets is very important. And today we are going to know the plant nutrition. The plant nutrition inside what is the nutrition inside also 2 category we observed. One is autotrophic nutrition, another is heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition inside what is going on, and heterotrophic nutrition inside what is going on, later we will know it. Okay, the types of nutrition inside we are 2 types of nutrition observed. One is autotrophic nutrition, another is what? Heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means what? Self nutrition also we can say. And the what the autotrophic nutrition information is there, we will explain. The autotrophic nutrition means the living organisms preparing their food by themselves by using the raw materials of the environments. Such nutritions we can call it is autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition inside what is going on? The living organism preparing their food by themselves and using the whatever the environments inside raw materials is there, like sunlight, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water, and other contents whatever is there. These all things using their preparing their own food. Such nutritions we call that is autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition who is preparing and how they will prepare that will be explain. I will explain listen carefully. The what will heterotrophic nutrition inside what is going on? The heterotrophic nutrition is going on only the green plant inside. Green plant means what? Which plant's leaf is green is there, that we called green plants we can say. And the green plants inside what heterotrophic nutrition is going on. The green plant's leaf is green. Why the looking way? Because of green color, green contains we can chlorophyll contains is there. That chlorophyll contains what we can say the plant's leaf can we can look at green. And way of the photosynthesis ways inside green plants are preparing their own food the way of the photosynthesis, and this process this nutrition process we called that is heterotrophic nutrition. Second is going on the second types of nutrition, that is heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition means inside which organisms otherwise which plants cannot prepare their food by themselves, such plants we can call it is heterotrophic plants, otherwise heterotrophic organism also we can say. Means which organisms inside they are not preparing their own food, they are depending upon someone purpose or some material of such types of nutritions we can call it is a heterotrophic nutrition. And hetero and hetero is a types of nutrition is there, and heterotrophic inside heterotrophic nutrition inside examples what is there, that non-green plants we can say which plants inside a chlorophyll contains absent is there, that contains we can call it is a what we called a non-green plants, otherwise a heterotrophic nutritions examples we can say. There inside mushroom is there, again so many pitcher plant is there, otherwise this like organisms pitcher plants name another name we called insectivorous plants is there. Such organism they are not preparing their own food, they are depending upon some organic materials, and afterward that decomposing they will take the foods and they will maintain their life process. This like process we called it is a heterotrophic nutrition process. So now we want to know next bits we want to go is photosynthesis. Okay, the students we are going to now next bits what is the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means what? The photosynthesis words we are divided in means the two meanings is giving for you us, that is the name is one is a photo means what we consider it is a light, and synthesis means what is considered combination of compounds, the combination of the compounds, and this like meaning is giving for the photosynthesis, and the photosynthesis procedure is going on only the green plant inside. Why? Because of the green plant inside what is the chlorophyll contain is there, that purpose photosynthesis purpose a very important role who is playing the chlorophyll contain is playing, and environment inside available the three contains what is there called CO2 and nitrogen and H2O and sunlight. It is a sunlight. These all things is a very important role playing, and photosynthesis purpose the five raw materials is very important. One is sunlight, chlorophyll and nitrogen, water and carbon dioxide. This all five contents is very important, and this so photosynthesis procedures we want to do it complete means how the procedure is process is going on you want to see. The this is one types of green plant is there, and this plants parts of the plants you all of you know, that is one is what root, stem, branches, leaf, flower, buds. This we can consider by the parts of the plants, and leaf inside a leaf is a very important role. This plant's body inside all body parts is not important, but what is considered leaf is very important. Why? The leaf inside what a chlorophyll contains is there, and photosynthesis purpose the chlorophyll contains is very important, and because of the chlorophyll contains green plants are preparing their self food, that purpose we called leaf is a kitchen of the plants we can say. And this chlorophyll contains water, sunlight they will absorb, and sunlight and chlorophyll in again environment inside available the carbon dioxide and roots sides to the providing the water and minerals, they will come by the by the help of the xylem, water and minerals are reaching by the leaf inside, and water they will start the preparing their own food. That is the way of the photosynthesis. After the prepared the food, so what we consider one gas is liberating, that we call it is a oxygen, and this totally process what we call the, it is a photosynthesis process, and this process only is going on the heterotrophic nutrition inside, heterotrophic plants nutrition inside. This like process is going on, and this photosynthesis we can say the only green plants are preparing the food, that is a way of the photosynthesis. So next video class inside we are going to the remaining parts. Thank you one and all.